Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm back today for cleaning up the engine bay and get some paint on it. So I got the car in the air on the lift. I got the motor over there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean all the grease and the grime and prep it for paint. The holes are drilled. I'm gonna weld those up, prime those again, get some paint on there and make the whole engine bay look a little bit cleaner and get it ready to put the motor back in. All right, so some of the work's been done here for cleaning up the engine bay. It's been completely cleaned up and degreased by this gentleman over here. I appreciate it. He did the hard work. And I take credit for the awesome tape off job. So getting that brake booster and all that stuff. So it's cleaned up and ready to get some paint on there. I am going to be using rustoleum out of paint gun, and we'll see how this turns out. think that turned out too bad. It was a cheap way of getting the engine bay painted pretty well, I think. Like I showed you earlier, it's a semi-gloss black rustoleum. It's an oil-based product. I used mineral spirits and I thinned it to a 3-to-1 ratio. That's 3 parts paint and 1 part thinner. And it turned out pretty well. When I showed you guys the video of me painting, I actually had that thinned 50-50, and that actually didn't turn out too well. If you guys watch the video, you can see I'm overlapping too much, and it's actually I'm applying way too much. I actually had to wipe all that off because it was turning into a dripping mess, and I wiped it all off, and I tried a new ratio of 3-to-1, and I did more passes, more lighter passes. I think I did 3 or 4 light coats, and then the last coat I did it not pretty heavy, but a moderate application. So I think it turned out pretty well. This is actually a couple days after I painted it, and it seems like it's pretty dry. It's actually looks pretty durable. So anyways, I just want to update you guys with that, and that is where I'm going to end this video. It is a short video, but I have what I want to show you for right now, and right now I'm actually working on gathering parts for the next video, which will be a manual steering rack conversion. At least I hope it's the next video. It depends if I can get all the parts together. So I will see you guys then.